everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do the glass transition on CuteCut Pro, and don't mind the background noises. So first, you open up the app CuteCut Pro and then click the plus button on the left side and create a new movie. You can choose any one of the resolutions, but I choose square. I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to click the plus button and add a photo. Add any photo that you want. I'm going to add this photo of Liza, because yeah. Double tap on the photo and zoom in until all the squares are done, all the black sides are covered, and then click the duplicate button, which is the second button on the bar, and then click the check mark. Then I'm going to drag the duplicate under the picture, and now I'm going to double tap on the duplicate, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Ooh, should I put this here? Okay. Then you're going to click the crop button, and you're going to crop it to as small or big you want. I rather choose small. Then click done. Then you're going to click the little wand button, and then click the plus button, custom transition, yes, and drag the blue bar until it's at the end, and double tap at the second arrow, and then click the crop button and slide it across and click done. And this is the finished product.